Hello friends, welcome back. You guys have been asking about 1UZ updates, so here's one. I just cleaned it, and the other one's inside. Cool, that's enough of that. Now let's go to why we're here. I got another car. Okay, so this is, I think it's a 94 530i wagon. I thought it was a 95. I think the registration says 94. And yeah, it's here from Texas. I'm in it very cheap. I think it's the cheapest car I've got. The Mini was $500 and this costs less than that. So
$1,500 for YouTube when we do our taxes.
Oh, $1,500. This one?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So this actually, if you remember from when we were building the Vert, I said I had swapped a manual into a BMW before, and this is that car. And honestly, I haven't seen it in 8 years. It went to Texas, lived out there. Christmas this year, I got a text from the owner. She said, she's moving out of country, you can't take it. Asked if I wanted it for cheap. It was cheaper than made sense, so I said yes. And I'm kind of attached to it because it's a wagon, which I know a lot of people here for Cressidas, but we've actually built more wagons on this channel than we have Cressidas, so I don't know how you take those. Yeah. I don't know how you take those analytics, but it wasn't supposed to show up till summer, but I got a good deal on a transport, and actually ended up paying less than our original agreement. And here it is. Showed up Wednesday. It's now Sunday, and we're gonna go through it because it is full of parts. And to be honest, we haven't touched it because we wanted to shoot this today, so real reactions today. But yeah, so it has its issues, obviously visual stuff. Like I said, I think a box truck backed into it and it never really got fixed. Supposedly it has a blown head gasket, so we're gonna have to figure that out. But it does run, so we'll start it up. It is straight pipe, and apparently it's got a flash on it, so it sounds kind of cool. But yeah, let's I guess start digging into it and see what we find.
Show us the good stuff.
Right. Hold on. It's one of these fancy things. So this is, I think, an M60B30. I don't know. I don't really care. But it's a 3-liter V8, so it's the baby V8. They say it's the V8 just to say you have a V8. And I think that the passenger side has a blown head gasket, but we'll have to figure it out. Other than that, it starts up fine, it runs fine. So, but I think it just needs maintenance.
Hear that cold start.
It says it has a short shifter, but this seems pretty long.
Yes, it is.
Well, I guess it's cruiser. Alpina though. Kim doesn't like it.
No.
I don't know.
Wood wheel's alright. It's a little small, isn't it? Don't you
Yeah,
want something bigger?
Maybe a Nardi. Finally get a Nardi and something.
Yeah. Ooh. Sounds good. Maybe it's a head gasket.
I think we were going to call this an unboxing video, and let's show you why.
Dude, Turner boxes? Come on, Turner boxes?
It is full of parts, and we're going to do the back seat first because I guess there's a new issue where the trunk wouldn't latch when she was loading the car. So we're going to get this out, and you can see she's got the trunk tied in, but let's get this out, figure out what we have, and figure out what kind of goodies we got.
Is that a jump rope holding the latch?
Hey, it's Texas things, okay?
Looks like a radiator. Should we guess?
Well, then let me get everything out and then we'll go through each box.
Okay.
I think it has new lower control arms and M5 sway bars front and rear for this car. So.
The Turner box, that next Turner box looks like sway bars. I've had to guess. More Turner boxes. Dang.
Should we just empty the whole car?
Sure. Let's see it all on the ground.
Okay. Block gaskets.
You mean your car came with the parts to fix it?
That's what I was told. I was told it should have everything we need.
More stuff.
So I think this is that upgraded MAF.
Dang.
Well, that's like $50 right there. Oh, is this?
Lights?
The spreadsheet says it has Euro tails.
Sick. Alright, let me grab the other ones. I'll give you a hand. Depot tails. Depot parts. Depot. Corner lamp. She gave you, I think, maybe all the broken ones in the front too.
Oh, really? So I've only seen a picture of what's in here. Oh, you know what? We're gonna need another pair of ice creams.
Oh, the trunk is closed, or the hood's closed now, so I'll hold it up for a second.
Okay. I think I found these at the junkyard.
Yeah?
And they work perfect. Oh, okay, here's the zip tie.
Dude, that strap brace is worth as much as the car, right?
It is like 75% of what I paid for this car is what these go for.
Dang.
Yeah, supposedly this Viper is supposed to be dope. This, honestly, I think I might put this in the vert.
Yeah.
Fan clutch.
Another alarm.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Grills.
Backup battery. That's fancy.
Oh, she was doing
here's all the plastics.
Installs.
All right.
Oh, and the headlight things, trim.
Yeah.
More rotors, brand new, new starter. It's a directed. It's probably a siren now. Yeah, siren. I think she got all these alarm parts, fancy aftermarket add-ons. Just hook them into the horns. I don't know, speaker. And been a more.
This is a PlayStation.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a PlayStation?
A power adapter.
Oh, these are fogs. Okay. Smoked fogs. That's dope. All right, well, let's get this out. Dang, it's in a good shape.
Very clean too. Like, I'm surprised how good this gray fabric. Yeah. I'm surprised how good it is.
Oh, that's what that piece is. The piece goes here.
Oh, okay.
All right. All right, I guess we'll start going through these boxes.
More stuff?
Yeah, there's more stuff. No, I just need space.
Now you gotta dig through. Well, there are different headlight surrounds, right?
Yeah. So these are the headlight surrounds. Okay. I'm gonna put that. Okay, so let's see what's in here. My shaft. Oh, snap!
What is that?
It's
It's a shifter linkage, right?
DSSR, dual shear selector rod. I don't know. You BMW people.
Are you having more fun today than on Christmas?
I don't know.
Excited to install everything? Not really, probably.
On Christmas,
cool to see
I
what's
have
here.
alcohol.
Sure.
I will go get you. Do you want a drink?
Yeah.
The blueberry lemonade?
No. Can I have a sour with the egg?
Yes.
Yes.
Fuck are we drinking around here?
Huh? What'd you say?
I said, what the fuck are we drinking around here?
You want something to
I've
drink?
been around for so long. You're just making fancy drinks around here, driving BMWs.
Look, I got all these broken cars. I've started drinking my sorrows away, okay? And Kim has been working on cocktails, so she's got a couple good recipes up her sleeve. Whiskey sour,
Yeah.
one of her good ones. Oh, actually, I'm pretty excited about these. So I think that should be the other one we'll look.
Are there other pieces to it? Like two pieces that make a tail, right?
Yeah, I think that's what's
On the other side?
here.
Behind door number 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, the shock mount covers.
Suspension.
This is that, I think it's the
MAF.
upgraded MAF. So,
Intake.
Upgraded math. What was the piece before that?
little shock caps. Let's call it, that should be good.
Let me know what it is.
Head.
Head bolts. OEM ones too. Will these work on the one you see? This bag makes me think it's from Seafood City.
Sway bar.
One sway bar. Yeah, I just took myself out.
It's crazy how much that
Take
packing.
it out?
Yeah, just dump it upside down. Yeah, that's fine. Just one sway bar out of that whole box?
Yes.
It's a genuine BMW.
Does it say front or
Nuremberg
rear?
ring spec.
Say front or rear?
My guess is rear because of the. Well, let's see.
It's not sure.
Yeah, it is a rear.
Yeah, it's a manual radiator. Fan shroud, right?
And grab the rest of that. Fan shroud. Do you actually have the fan itself? No.
Well, I think it's a clutch fan.
Hardware. Oh yeah, everything to mount it.
I feel like if I put it in the box, I'll throw it away. Oh, here we go.
It's on the packing list.
Coolant temp sensor, rivets, fan shroud, OEM radiator, and a coolant level sensor. But I'll have to look them up because they say 6-cylinder on them.
Gasket set.
Well, this is a
Oil pan.
engine block gasket set. So it's not head gaskets.
Looks like an oil pan gasket and
Oil
a.
pan, crank seals.
Is there like a plate on the front or the plate on the back for gasket?
Yeah. It says engine block gasket set.
Come on.
So, alright, we'll have to figure that out.
That's the front sway bar.
Yeah, probably.
And more bushings and everything need to install it.
She didn't cut corners, that's for sure.
Yeah. I mean, she did her homework and bought everything she needed. We just never got around to installing it.
So, okay. M5 Sport front sway bar.
Sick.
Yeah.
Pull it out of the box.
Take it out?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's like locked in. I don't want to.
Oh. Okay. Bushings and sway bar.
Alright, so we've gone through everything. There's a lot of stuff. Some cool parts. Somewhere. I don't see a head gasket set, so. But I think we need to diagnose if it's actually a head gasket first. So let us know if you want to see that. And we'll do it. Or I'll just do it on my own if you don't want to see it. You tell me. But I don't know. As far as future with this car, I want to get it running enough so I can get back on the Cressida. So I was kind of hoping the engine stuff would be here, but we'll figure that out. I kind of wanted it to be like a daily and then maybe take it to Adams on the weekend and go drifting. Other people are talking long term, maybe toting around some kids in it, which I'm not against, but...
Tow kids, yeah.
Yeah. But,
Dadmobile.
Yeah, Dadmobile, eventually. I just want to get it running. I'm trying not to think about how much, because obviously I want it lower. You know me, it's too high as it is, but I want to get it running first and then we'll go from there, but I think we're going to keep it for a while. Cruise, I don't know if you guys count, but this is car number 6, and I already have a daily and a truck, and then the Cressida, the Vert, and then Kim's daily. So I need to get rid of at least one. But I'd like to daily this as much as I like the Chrysler. I think the Wagon's a little more my style, especially V8 manual with the LSD. I think it can be a lot of fun. But, yeah, that's it. This is my new project. Let us know what you think. Tell us if you want to see more of it. Yell at us for more 1UZ updates. I promise it's
Or lack
moving.
of.
Yeah, it is moving. But yeah, that's all I got for today. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you aren't, and we'll see you in the next one.